In this video, we will discuss Accounting 1, Fixed Assets, Asset Increase Menu. In Asset Increase Menu, you can enter fixed asset acquisition, maintenance, and repair. The data entered in this menu will be applied to the accounting books, just like when you enter data in Accounting 1 Purchase Invoice 1 or Purchase Invoice 2 menu. And the data will be also applied to the asset book. And the difference between Asset Increase menu and Accounting Purchase Invoice menu is that in Asset Increase menu, you can link with an asset code when you enter data. There are two ways to enter a fixed asset increase. The first is to use the Asset Increase menu. The second way is to enter only the details of the fixed asset without applying the amount to the accounting books, after entering the amount beforehand through Purchase Invoice menu or Beginning Balance Adjustment menu. And in this video, we will look over the first method, which is to use Asset Increase menu. Firstly, set the voucher date as the date of the purchase and enter a department or project if necessary. Then select the corresponding text type and enter the vendor that you purchased the asset from in Customer Vendor field. In Fixed Assets field, click the magnifying glass and select the fixed asset code that you registered in advance. And once you've selected the code, Quantity field and Balance field will appear. These fields will appear if you set the quantity control of the asset to Use. Then enter the pre-tax amount. Then tax will be automatically calculated by the program based on the tax type that you've selected. And in Fees field, if bank charge was generated, enter the amount. And enter Notes and Remarks field. In Withdrawal Account field at the bottom, the default account is Accounts Payable account. And if you have not paid the amount yet, you can directly click Save button. And if you have already paid the price, enter the payment method in Withdrawal Account field. Then the data of the payment will be also processed at the same time you save this voucher. And I will leave this field as it is and click Save button. Then the acquisition of the fixed asset will be applied to the program. And you can verify the saved data in Asset Voucher List menu in the left menu. And also in this menu, you can modify or delete the data. And in addition, if you used the second method, which is if you used Accounting Purchase Invoice menu to enter the asset's acquisition, you can use Register button at the bottom of the Asset Voucher List menu to only register the details of the fixed asset without applying the amount to the accounting books. You can enter the date of the acquisition, voucher type, and the corresponding asset code. Also, you can enter the cost of acquisition and disposal amount if you selected voucher type as disposal. And if you click Save button, the entered data will be applied to fixed asset reports, just like when you enter data in Asset Increase menu, but it will not be applied to the general accounting books. So please take note and use these functions to your convenience. Thank you.